Hello and welcome to my first video about networking. Now if you've looked at a few of my other videos, you see that I'm focusing mostly on Python, programming, but I think I'm going to take a bit of a broader approach to this YouTube thing and go with more technology in general. Now we're going to be doing networking, Python, and later down the line we'll look into some other things. What I'm thinking is maybe Linux. We'll see how it goes. So what is networking, or what am I going to be specifically teaching you about networking? I'm going to focus on something called the CCNA, and the newest version of that is the 200-301. Now, some of you might know what the CCNA is. That's great, but I'll quickly tell you what it is if you don't. It is a certification, and it's an exam that you take, and it is operated by Cisco. Who are Cisco? Cisco are they're the largest players in the networking industry, so having a certification from them is very valuable if you want to get a job in networking, or if you want to get a improved knowledge of networking in some way. What will you learn? You'll learn about how to troubleshoot networks. You'll learn a little bit of programmability with networking. You'll learn how the internet works, and in some ways the security landscape of networking. So if you're interested in hacking, this could be helpful for getting into a career that's involved in that, because knowing a bit of networking is very valuable, even for someone like a penetration tester. It's you learn an extra layer of how to get into a system. Why am I teaching it? Is because it's actually something that I'm trying to get. Is this new CCNA is going to help me progress in my career up the ladder of technology. So that's why I'm teaching it, and so I think if I teach it, then it will help me learn it, and then possibly if anyone's watching, then they'll learn it, and then we can both just progress up the IT career ladder, and that's great. Is it useful is the last question, and I think yes. I think it is useful. I think it's for those who are a bit more nerdy. It's fun to just understand how things work, how networks work, how the internet works. If you want to take a more practical kind of view from it, it can actually increase your pay. It can actually give you a job in IT, an industry that's exploding. And it has been. If you're worried about losing your job or going into a career that might be automated in the future, then being part of programming, networking, computers can help solidify your ground in that. So that's good. It's useful in that way, and it can, if you are already in an industry, in an IT industry where you're earning some money, then this can help you specify and get into networking, which will probably increase your pay, and then you can keep going up, showing that you're interested in technology, which will really help you move up. And if you're not already into the industry, and you think, how do I get into IT? It's like you've been doing the same job or whatever, and you want to do something different, then getting this qualification and maybe learning a few other things along the side, some pretty easy things, and proving you have a drive and an interest in these things will definitely give you a foot in the door and could lead to more of a progression in your career. So it is definitely useful. Yes. Okay. And the last point is just a quick thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon in the next videos where I start to teach this.